Dear students, today we are going to start a new lesson from Unit 3. The name of the lesson is Can We Change This? This story is an extract taken from the autobiographical novel Karikku written by a famous Tamil writer Bama. In this autobiography, she explains the joys and sorrows experienced by Dalit Christian women in Tamil Nadu. The book was originally written by her in Tamil in 1992 and translated into English by Lakshmi Holmstrom in 2000. Dear students, now let us move on to the lesson. Do we treat people differently based on their caste, creed, or skin color? Have you experienced or witnessed discrimination of any kind? Here are some experiences by a young girl who has been victim of untouchability. When I was studying in class 3, I hadn't yet heard people speak openly of untouchability. But I had already seen, felt, experienced and been humiliated by what it is. I was walking home from school one day, an old bag hanging from my shoulder. I crossed the street of the Pallas and came to my street, the street of the Pariahs. In a corner, a threshing floor had been set up, and a knacker watched the proceedings. Seated on a piece of sacking spread over a stone ledge, our people were hard at work, driving cattle in pairs round and round to tread out the grain from the straw. The animals were muzzled so that they wouldn't help themselves to the straw. I stood for a while there watching the fun. Just then, an elder of our street came along from the direction of the bazaar holding a parcel. Dear students, when the narrator was studying in class 3, she never heard people openly speak of untouchability. But she had seen, felt and experienced this bitter situation many times. She has been humiliated by this untouchability. Now let us see what is this untouchability. Untouchability means forbidden to the touch. In Malayalam, Thottukudaima. People from upper caste family never allowed the lower caste to touch them or contact with them. The rich people considered the lower caste people as their slaves. One day, the narrator was walking from school carrying her old bag. She crossed the street of the Pallas. Pallas means the people of a particular upper caste, and came to her street, the street of the Pariahs. Pariahs means people of a particular lower caste. Dear students, both Pallas and Pariahs had different streets for living. They never lived together. In a corner, a threshing floor had been set up. Then what is this threshing floor? Threshing floor means a hard level surface on which corn or other grain is threshed with a flail. In Malayalam, ധാന്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ മെതിച്ചെടുക്കുന്ന സ്ഥലം മെതിനിലം എന്ന് പറയും. And the knacker means the landlord. The term also refers to a particular upper caste. And the landlord watched the proceedings. Here proceedings means the work of the lower caste people. Seated on a piece of sack spread over a long stone ledge. Stone ledge means kayyala. Here the landlord watched all these things by sitting on a stone ledge. Our people were hard at work means the lower caste people were hard at work, driving cattle in pairs round and round to tread out. To tread out means to press out the grain from the straw. See the picture. From this you can understand how they tread out the grains from the straw. The animals were muzzled so they wouldn't help themselves to the straw. Dear children, the animals had a mask on its face to prevent them from eating the straw. She stood there for a while to watch the fun. Just then, an elder of her street came along the direction of the bazaar holding a parcel. Something was in his hand.